Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a trick to view WhatsApp view once messages multiple times on Android, or even though WhatsApp normally deletes them after you open them once. So let's just dive right in. So what you can do is you can go to WhatsApp and open it up. And before we start, there's a disclaimer that this trick won't work for personal use and always respect someone else's privacy. So once you go over to WhatsApp, what you can do is you can open up the chat where the view once message is available. And from here, do not tap the view once message yet. So WhatsApp usually downloads images and videos to your phone automatically. For that, you can go over the settings, look out for the three dot in the top and tap on it. And from here, go to settings. And from settings, what you can do is you can go to the chats option. And from here, go over and look out for media visibility and turn it on. And that will show the newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. So once it is turned on, you can just go over and not open this WhatsApp message right here. And you can use a third-party file manager or your gallery. After that, you can go to any of the file manager available, for example, this. And you can navigate the internal storage where the file may be located. And from here, just go ahead and look out for WhatsApp. And once you find WhatsApp download, you can look out for that and go ahead and look out for the view once media stored temporarily. You can copy to another folder to view it multiple times. So it may work and it may also not work. Apart from that, what you can do is once you've opened up the chat and waited for a few seconds when you have an internet connection, you can just go ahead and turn off your internet connection for a while. And once you turn it off, you can just go and view the picture that is on view once and view it up. And once you view it up, that will basically go ahead and be viewed. And you can close up your WhatsApp and wait for a while. And again, open up your WhatsApp once again. Or you can try uninstalling the WhatsApp and reinstalling it. And once you do so, you can go over the same chat and turn on your Wi-Fi once again. And you should be finding the media again on your screen. You can try that up to 2 to 3 times. That is only the way possible for now. And that's it. That's how you can view WhatsApp view once messages multiple times on Android. And that's it. So if this video helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching.